Honestly, I'd say over half of the value that we create now comes from growing EBITDA at our companies, and much of that is a direct result of the skill and expertise of our operating team.
At Riverside, our operating partners are very much a part of the firm. They're involved not just in fixing troubled companies, but making our good companies better. They're involved not just in helping companies succeed, but helping us actually decide what companies to buy and what to do with them, what our investment strategies are going to be.
Many of our portfolio companies, the management team is very competent, very capable in its business, but may not have the bandwidth to take on all the projects and all the activities that we want them and they want to accomplish during our ownership.
Riverside has a unique position to provide resources to already a good company. A good company has a good reason why they are already good, and providing another support, they can become a great company.
With entrepreneurs, sometimes there's a tendency to want to build and build and build and not really build for value. What I see with the partners is there's always a sharp eye on what will the value be, what will the benefit of this be.
Our objective is to get a $10, $20 million company to a $100 million company. You can't really do that strictly on your own. You need some help, you need outside resources, you need experienced people helping you.
Our operating partner has brought tangible ideas from other portfolio companies, connecting those dots. He's put me in contact with some of the CEOs of other companies. We've talked, we've exchanged emails. I get PowerPoint presentations. Here's something they're doing, check this out. All of that translates into a real benefit.
You certainly need to be skilled at running companies, helping them grow, working with management teams, but you also need to be skilled on the soft side and help these families and founders transition from what has been successful from them in the past to getting to a much more larger organization, helping them to be successful going forward in the future.
In effect, you have Fortune class experience under your belt, even though you're the CEO of a microcap.
Having a strong operating team is a terrific asset to manage these companies appropriately. I think the uncertainty can give us two things. Number one, the ability to buy some very good companies at some very reasonable prices, but on the other hand, there will be significant operating challenges. So I think the operating team's role on the next 24 months, or maybe even beyond that, is absolutely crucial to the success of our business.
My role with Riverside at the moment is basically to assist the portfolio companies with their Asian strategies, because some of the companies will be looking to enter Asian markets in order to sell their goods and services. Others will be looking to establish manufacturing within the region for export, and others will be looking at enhancing their sourcing capability within the region.
Riverside is the only company operating in Japan who can provide that kind of international aspect or opportunity to the portfolio companies.
And the whole process here is designed to sort of accelerate the rate of change, accelerate the rate of growth that we're trying to achieve in support of these management teams.